Good morning. Please stand.
Good morning. One of the many things that I love about science is that it can explain magic. I vividly remember as a child the thrill of finding out that everything was made up of tiny particles and how that suddenly explained so much that was going on in my world. For our family, our time outside each day often takes the form of a walk, run or cycle ride in the park or along a towpath. These outings for me have been one of the most enjoyable things about lockdown, as it has been fantastic to watch the seasons unfold as spring gets fully underway. Knowing more biology now than I did as a child, I can, at least in part, explain that the reason seeds start to grow in spring is due to the increased metabolic activity brought about by the slightly warmer weather. Growth of shoots depends on the production and distribution of plant hormones, and that many flowers contain both male and female gametes for sexual reproduction. Although they may not have known as much of the science as we do now, the fascination and beauty of spring has obviously had a huge effect on people throughout the ages. William Wordsworth saw his crowd a host of golden daffodils. And Robert Browning, in his Home Thoughts from Abroad, said, "And after April, when May follows, and the whitethroat builds, and all the swallows, hark, where my blossomed pear tree in the hedge leans to the field, and scatters on the clover blossoms and dewdrops at the bent spray's edge. That's the wise thrush, he sings each song twice over, lest you should think he never could recapture the first fine, careless rapture." So, next time you are outside, whatever your religion or personal understanding of the science involved, can I, along with W.H. Davis, entreat you to stand and stare. Take time to look up, look about, see what's out there. The bracken is coming up through the soil, leaves are unfurling and buds are popping. Blossom is on the tree. Listen, be amazed. Magic really is all around us. Thank you. Have a good week.